reserves and surplus, please remember this number, this item, and these numbers are extremely important in evaluating strength of a business. Strength of a business, the in my view, prime indicator of strength of any business other than the performance from the balance sheet is the reserves and surplus. जिस कंपनी का रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस का फिगर जितना ज़्यादा होगा, आप मान के चलिए वो कंपनी उतनी स्ट्रांग है, वो कंपनी उतनी स्ट्रांग है. अब सवाल ये है कि द क्वेश्चन इज वेयर डज दिस फिगर ऑफ रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस कम फ्रॉम एंड व्हाई this number is so important in evaluating performance of a business. First of all, please remember where does this number come from. So a company has earned a profit of 500 crore. A company has earned a profit of 500 crore and they have paid a dividend to the shareholders of 100 crore. And how much is the amount remaining? It is 400 crore. So please remember this 400 crore of profit which is retained by the business, it is known as retained profit or retained earning or retained income. Retained income. Now this 400 of the profit which the business has retained in the business, that means they have plowed back into the business, this comes in the balance sheet and sits as reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Now, please don't think that this 400 crore which is coming and sitting as reserves and surplus in the balance sheet of a company is lying with the company somewhere in cash. No. When you plow the profit back into the business, you don't keep that profit in the bank account, and you will never keep it in the bank account. You should never keep it in the bank account. So what will you do with this profit? With this profit, you will do the expansion, diversification, modernization, and that is what you will do with the profit that you retain back into the business. So remember, if you look at the balance sheet of, let's say, Tata Motors or Maruti or Bajaj Auto or Honda or Hindustan Unilever or Adani Enterprise, so when you look at the balance sheet of these companies, you will see that the figure of reserves and surplus in case of all these companies' balance sheet is huge. Now what does it mean? It means, let's say for example, this company that we are discussing, the figure of reserves and surplus is 4,64,000 crore. Now does it mean this company has got so much of cash lying somewhere with them? No. It only means over the years this company has earned so much of profit. Part of the profit they have given to the shareholders as dividend. So much of profit, 4,64 crore profit, they have plowed back into the business. That means with this profit, they have created new companies, new plants, new facilities, right? And this balance sheet that I'm discussing with you is a real balance sheet. The name, of course, is different. So what this company has done, this company has got into different ventures. Retail में गए हैं, finance में गए हैं, और IT में गए हैं, telecom में गए हैं. तो वो all those investment in those ventures, where has it come from? It has come from all this 4,64 crore thousand of the reserve this company has plowed back, or the profit it has plowed back, and that is your reserves and surplus. And that is why I say that this figure is the prime indicator about the health of a company.